10 ways to make money online with AI in 2025. I know many of you are tired of searching for the best way to make money online. You have probably clicked on dozens of videos, read countless blog posts, and yet you keep hearing the same recycled advice like affiliate marketing, filling out surveys, typing caption, or even join some sketchy get-rich-quick scheme. Let's be real, those methods don't work anymore in 2025. The reality is AI has completely transformed the way people earn online. Right now, thousands of people around the world are making more money with AI. Some are using it to bring in a little extra side income, while others are building full-time businesses that replace the traditional 9-to-5 jobs. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 practical and proven ways you can make money online with AI in 2025. We'll start with beginner-friendly methods that anyone can start today and then move into more advanced strategy with the potential to scale into long-term, high-income opportunities. Stick around until the very end because I will also share the most common mistake people make when trying those methods and the secret that separates those who only earn side cash from those who build life-changing income stream. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so you never miss out on future videos just like this. Method number 1. Short form video editing with AI. Short form content is everywhere. TikTok, Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, and here's the crazy part. Creators and brands desperately need content, but most don't have time to edit. That's where AI tools like OpenClip, Pictory, and OneWay comes in. They take a long video like a podcast episode and automatically cut it into short viral clips, and they even add subtitle, transition, and suggest the most engaging hook. For example, OpenClip's case studies show editors making $1,000 plus per client by repurposing weekly YouTube content into TikTok bundles. A creator only needs 4 to 5 clips a week, and you can deliver those in less than 1 hour a week. If you land just 5 clients paying $500 each, that's $2,500 a month. And many editors scale it much higher by offering monthly packages. Quick tips. Offer a starter package at $200 for 10 clips to get clients in the door, then upsell them into a monthly retainer. Method number 2. AI script writing for creators. Every YouTubers, TikTokers, and podcaster need script and content ideas, but coming up with them consistently is exhausting. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai, you can brainstorm hooks, titles, and entire video script. But here's the secret. You don't just copy and paste what AI generates. You refine it, humanize it, and adapt it to match the creator voice. Script writers on Fiverr charge $50 to $200 per script. Some freelance writers report earning $3,000 to $5,000 per month writing content. That's 80% AI assisted and 20% polished by them. Bonus idea. Pitch your services to new YouTubers who don't have time to write but want professional quality script. Method number 3. AI chatbots for businesses. Small businesses get bombarded with customer questions but can't always respond instantly. Restaurant, gym, salon, and e-commerce store all lose leads this way. Imagine telling them I'll bill you a chatbot that answers fax, books, appointments, and even take orders 24/7. With tools like ManyChat, BotPress, and GPT-powered bots, you can set up smart assistant without coding. According to a Clutch survey, businesses spend an average of $500 to $5,000 on chatbot setting up. If you also charge $100 to $300 monthly for maintenance, just 10 clients could easily earn up to $3,000 per month recurring income. And here's the best part. Once you set up a chatbot, it keeps working 24/7, even while you sleep. That's the definition of passive income. Method number 4, AI-powered thumbnails and graphic design. If you ever scroll through YouTube, you know the truth, thumbnails decide whether people click or not. With Canva AI, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly, you can generate scroll-stopping design in minutes. Add some Photoshop, polish, and you are ready to sell. For proof, look at this thumbnail design on Upwork and Fiverr. Many charge $20 to $50 per thumbnail, but top designs earn $3,000 plus per month creating consistent packages for creators. Tips: offer thumbnail plus title testing as a premium package. AI can even predict which designs will get higher click-through rates. Method number 5, user-generated content with AI editing. Are shifting away from polished ads and moving toward authentic, user-generated content videos made by everyday people. You don't just need to be a big influencer, you just need to make believable product demos, testimonial, or lifestyle clips. AI helps you script, edit, caption, and even generate voiceover if you don't want to speak. According to Insider Intelligence, user-generated content can earn $100 to $500 per video, with top creators charging up to $5,000 for monthly packages. Fun fact, some TikTokers make full-time income just filming unboxing videos from their bedroom with AI-edited caption. Method number 6, starting with AI content agency. Businesses are desperate for consistent content, blog, social media posts, ads, video, but most don't have the team to produce it. That's where you come in. With AI tools like ChatGPT for blog, 11 Lab for voiceovers, Agent for avatars, and Canva AI for graphics, you can run a mini agency that delivers 5x the content at a fraction of the time. Agencies like GoLab have publicly shared how they scale from 0 to 6 figure by combining AI tools with human creativity. Even as a solo operator, 5 to 10 clients paying $1,000 a month mean $60,000 to $120,000 a year. Method number 7, advanced AI-powered video editing. Beginner AI tools handle quick edits, but the real money comes when you combine AI with pro software like Adobe Premiere and After Effects. AI plugin automate color grading, masking, subtitle, and visual effect. You still need creative input, but you deliver at twice the speed. Freelance video editor on Upwork often charge $500 to $2,000 per project. Adding AI makes you faster, meaning you can take on more clients or offer a premium package with motion graphic for ads and explainers video. Example: an editor named Daniel runs a small agency where AI handles 70% of edits and his team only fine-tunes. He shared that this cut delivery time from 7 days to 2 days, allowing him to double his client base. Method number 8, AI-driven web design. Every business still needs a website and demand is growing. With Firmware AI, Webflow, or Wix 80, you can design modern, mobile-friendly website in days, not weeks. On average, freelancers charge $500 to $3,000 per site. Some agencies earn $10K plus monthly by offering bundles, packages, websites, plus copywriting, plus SEOs. AI tools help you generate site copy, branding, and even layout automatically. Method number 9, LinkedIn growth consulting with AI. LinkedIn has exploded in 2025. It's not for job seekers anymore. It's a goldmine for lead generation and personal brand. Most professionals know they should be posting, but they don't know what to say. With AI tools like Templio, Copy.ai, and Jasper, you can create content, calendars, write posts, and schedule them out. LinkedIn ghostwriters charge $500 to $2,000 per month per client. Some top consultants even charge $5,000 plus monthly to grow executively profile. If you land just 5 clients at $1,000 each, that's $5,000 per month recurring income. Bonus: target CEOs, coaches, or consultants. They value authority building and will gladly pay if you can make them look like thought leaders. Method number 10, AI business automation. This is the big one. Every company has repetitive tasks, data entry, email, scheduling, reporting. With tools like Zapier, Make, and ChatGPT and API, you can automate workflow and have businesses hundreds of thousands hours. Agencies that specialize in AI automation charge $2,000 to $10,000 per setup, plus ongoing management fee. For example, Shin Puri mentioned it on his podcast that automation is one of the fastest growing service businesses right now, because once a client sees the time saving, they are willing to pay long-term returners. Now here's the truth. Most people fail at making money online not because these methods don't work, but because they quit too soon. They jump from one shiny method to another and never give themselves enough time to get good at any of them. The real secret: focus on one method, stick with it for 90 days, and prove consistently. AI is the greatest shortcut we ever had, but consistency is still the world difference maker. So here's my challenge. Pick one method from today's video, just one. Stick with it and comment below which one you are choosing. Come back in 3 months and share your progress. I want to hear your success story. Because at the end of the day, AI is not here to replace you, it's here to empower you. The question is, will you use it to score or will you use it to build your future? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered money-making strategies, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. See you. Peace. Bye.